Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 25 RL Coach pontoon boat. Coming around the front, this is a 25-foot boat. Seagrass. Lots of seating. Ski locker. Deluxe stereo system. Beautiful helm, infinity stereo, hummingbird, full instrumentation, beautiful chaise lounge seats in the back, outfitted with the table. This boat is equipped with a 2016 Honda 250 motor. Big storage areas underneath. If this is a boat you would like to see more of, give me a call. This is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.